45-degree rule. So that straight out from our commentary position, 45 degrees on one side and 45 degrees up, we try a combat veteran. Or a combination of bombs, rockets, drop tanks. Thousands of these produced by North American Aviation at Inglewood, California, and Dallas, Texas. And I'm very proud to say that Australia was the only other country to manufacture the Mustang. We built 200 down at the Commonwealth Aircraft Corporation in Fisherman's Bend. Marinell, who Stevens has met while completed combat training with the 339 Fighter Group at Ricefield, California.
Told to future generations so that we may not allow these steps to our forebears and hopefully learn how to move forward.
This is the last pass, ladies and gentlemen. Give a big wave.